Hi everyone! Today I'm doing a pack with me type of video. I've got my Delsey carry-on luggage here. Delsey is my favorite. They make really lightweight luggage and the configurations on the inside are usually really smart. So I'm heading out to Vancouver just to hang out with some friends. I've got two of my girlfriends meeting me out there and I'm gonna pack. So I've got my outfits laid out, pretty casual. This is my Sezane sweater. Loving Sezane recently. So this one I've had for a little while. It's got the buttons on one side, it's got the stripes, and then it's really kind of heavyweight, comfortable. And I've got my dark wash jeans with it, and then I have this one which is also Sezane, and I love the pastel color combo. Isn't it so pretty? And then my medium wash jeans just to kind of go with. These are from Frame. A lot of you guys ask me about these jeans when I wear them and you see like mod shots. They're really comfortable. So then I've got this one here. I'm only there for 4 nights. My navy cashmere sweater from Theory, and I've got these kind of cropped flare leg jeans. I tend to wear skinny jeans, but these are a little different. This is from Mother. If you don't know Mother, they make great jeans, very comfortable. And then this is a more heavy black cashmere knit sweater from Theory again. And then my white jeans from AG. So I'm trying to go for different looks. Those are boyfriend jeans. These are flare. These are more like straight leg. And then these are skinny. So just a little bit of variety. All right, so I've got my 4 outfits laid out. And then I need to do some maintenance. You guys know I have talked about this. Just the idea of slow fashion, meaning not churning and burning through your clothes, but really taking care of what you own. So these sweaters are kind of old and they're pilling. So I am going to depill them with this little tool, this little gadget. It's gonna be really satisfying. Now I need to do the sleeves. So anytime there's a area where I'm rubbing against my body, there's more pilling. So let's go. Already getting so much better. Do you guys see the difference? The before and after? Much cleaner. Once you've finished depilling, you need to clean out the inside. So you just pop this little lid open. It's magnetic, and then look at all that. All right, time to actually pack. You guys have asked me about packing tips. You know, I travel very light most of the time, and these are my jeans. I just fold them in half and I make them as flat as possible. And I basically stack my jeans from front to back, so they're in reverse so that they're kind of even when they stack. And I always put them first in my suitcase because I want the heavy, you know, denims are heavy. I want the heavy items to go on the bottom so they don't wrinkle or smother my lighter items. The sides here are little pockets. They're not wasted. Trust me, you'll see. I put some small things in there later. And here's the tops. I'm just gonna fold them. My thinner sweaters I can roll up really tightly here, and this actually prevents wrinkling as well. And I stick it right in this pocket of space so there's no space wasted. Same goes for this camisole. I'm gonna layer since the weather is gonna be chilly in the evenings, warmer during the day. Stick that in there. My underwear, yes, I told you no pockets of space are wasted. So this side of the suitcase is pretty full now, so moving to the next side here. I've got my pajamas at the bottom because I don't care if my pajamas get wrinkled, so I stick them at the bottom. And then my son is helping roll up my hair straightener, the cord, so he's done a nice job. I'll just put this somewhere in a little crevice That's perfect. I bring my hair straightener with me. This is from Bliss Baby. I've had it for like 10 years. Then I've got some socks. I've got my no-show socks, always wearing these. And then I've got some other socks that I'm just gonna bring some extras. Yes, I like to be playful with my socks, you guys. There are hearts and bunny rabbits and all kinds of little designs on my socks. Then I'm also going to bring my jacket. This is the lighter Canada Goose jacket that I got this from Farfetch actually, and it's great. It's so good for transitional seasons. It's waterproof, it's got a hood. It is supposed to rain a couple days while we're there, and we're gonna be out in nature. I do wanna go to the Suspension Bridge, the famous one out in Vancouver, so I'm probably gonna wear this on that day. Here it is, all folded up. This too is pretty wrinkle proof, so I'm just gonna get it right in there. Of course, I cannot forget my Uniqlo bag. That's coming with me. All the makeup that I need is in this cosmetic pouch. So I've got that. I've got my toiletries in the clear travel pouches there. And then I've got my face masks that I'll share with my friends. When we fly, our skin gets dry, so it's really nice to do a face mask when we land. This stuff right in here, and my makeup can go in as well. Oh my gosh, guys, I had to take a break, have dinner, and come back. It's dark now. I am going to pack this for the plane, and I'm just putting my hand sanitizer in there, and then my hand lotion, lipstick, lip balm. Okay, my wallet. This organizer is great because you see all the compartments, extra compartments, and then I also have my earbuds in here if I need to listen to something on my phone, and then I've got my eye mask, sleeping mask. I'll put that in there separately to keep it clean. So that is my bag for the plane. Oh, I almost forgot one thing. This right here is a velvet jewelry wrap, jewelry kind of case, not really case, but holder, and this is great. So I put my bracelets in here, and then I put my rings right in here, and I put my earrings, you see the holes, my earrings in here, and that's it. I got this from Sezane. You guys know I've been loving Sezane, and it was just like a free gift with order. They sent me a tote once, and they sent me this jewelry wrap once, so it's really, really handy. I'll put this in here, so when I get to Vancouver and I need to take all my jewelry off, I'll just plop it in. I'm gonna wear all of my jewelry. I just feel like that's safer, and then when I get to the hotel at night, I'll take it off and then put them back on in the morning, but this is empty at the moment because everything I bring I will be wearing on my body. I'm also going to bring my Chanel wallet on chain, my classic black one, and just in case we go to nicer restaurants, dinners out. I bring my walk on travels a lot because it's really compact and easy, and then I'm going to bring a scarf just in case. I'm going to layer. It's going to be 20 degrees colder in Vancouver than it is in New York right now. New York is going through like a heat spike. So this one I showed a while ago. I got it from Farfetch. It's from Peel, English brand, and it's really nice cashmere. So I will get that in there. And you guys can see I still have some room to spare.